Easter s'mores.
So basically, we need peeps.
All the stuff that I need.
And then this is chocolate chips,
That's like
heavy whipping cream, graham crackers, and a well-greased pan. I have allergies, so that's why my voice is like this.
So hopefully Ace is going to do a lot of the talking, or Kelsey's going to lose her voice.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, what they had to do is we're not using an oven. We have the oven feature on the Ninja. So we are preheating it to 400. And they have already greased their pan. And now what do you do? Do you know?
I think. Oh, put this in.
Nope, the chocolate chips go in the bottom of the pan, your well-greased pan.
Okay.
Wait, was I supposed to measure that?
Nope, the whole thing goes in. 2 cups. This is 2 cups of chocolate chips. We chose the confetti white chocolate just because, you know,
it's
if it gets
colorful.
colorful, it will look better.
We also did colors.
Next,
Yeah.
we put, a 4th cup of heavy whipping cream. 4th cup heavy whipping cream.
It's just kind of something. There you go.
Might need a little bit more than that. She should have put it all over the chips, not just in one spot. Just a little bit more. Like half of that maybe. Yep, there you go. That's good. Now just... Okay.
And
Flatten out your chocolate chips.
put your peeps in a colored order. Or if you have only one color, then just put them in order. Okay.
Just try to do a pretty design with your peeps.
Alright,
So- Okay, Ace, go ahead. What are you going to do?
Alright, so I'm gonna put these in.
No, you do the pink first.
Oh.
It doesn't matter.
Alright.
You can do... I need a purple one here. And this one... Purple, pink, blue, yellow. Purple, pink, blue, yellow.
Oh no, I'm whipping it.
It's alright. No. Purple. Side.
In a nice, colorful arrangement.
And you might have
And-
a few more.
And we have some left over. A few, those are what's left over after they ate a couple. Now we're going to put that in the oven.
More.
And we think, we're not really sure how long to put it in, but we'll let you know, we'll let you know in the video.
So we put this in for 7 minutes on 400 degrees.
And this is what it looks like.
Still appetizing.
Yeah, it's,
It has green.
let's see how it turns out with.
Okay.
Ooh, it's hard.
Dig right into this.
Cheetah.
Oh, I can see the color. Oh. That's so pretty.
So there's the. It probably would have turned out better with chocolate chips. With chocolate, because now it just looks like the white is the marshmallow. So you can't really tell. But this is, it's not very appetizing.
But the color underneath looks cool.
Well, let's see how it tastes. Well, it's gonna be hot. Here you go, Ace. It's gonna be hot, so be careful putting your mouth on it. Don't take a big bite. How's it taste?
Marshmallowy. It's good.
Can you taste the chocolate? No chocolate?
I need a plate. Where am I supposed to set this up? In your mouth. That's full of stuff.
So, it's good? It's good? Okay, so you're probably supposed to cook it at... I would probably do regular chocolate chips instead of the white ones because you can't really... It just looks like all marshmallows, but it's not. There's chocolate in there. Like that the purplish color, that's from the chocolate chips. So yeah, it looks like a huge mess, but it's Easter s'mores. What do you think? Okay. Any final words?
Tastes like s'mores.
What about you?
Oh, Ace.
The chocolate doesn't taste like real chocolate.
Yeah, white chocolate's not as good as milk chocolate, but oh well. Okay.
Like and subscribe. If you don't like it, dislike so we know not to make these kind of videos. And bye.
Bye.